Morning, afternoon, and night. So I catch you whatever time you're at. Where I'm at. If you want to take one of these off, the back door cover, there's just a little cover over that, and there's a cover over that. And you just take them 10mm bolts out, and then it's just got these little push pins. That's great. Just dumped all the glass on the ground. And it just pops right off easily. And then there's molding that right here and right here. It pops right off. And then this here, you just wiggle this around. You just wiggle it around, and it just pulls back. And then you just pull that little cable through the little, it's got a little slit. It's got a little slit right there. You pull it through and it comes off. Oh, and of course your little light, just before you take your door panel off, your little light switch, it just pops up and you just unplug it. Unplug that. Then you got two 10mm bolts right there and there. That's to hold down your window. And there, these and this and this, that holds your window track in. Anyways, this comes out in this direction. You put this all up in this corner, and then it barely scrapes out the bottom. So I don't know exactly how to change one, but I think I'm figuring out as I go. So now I'm going to put my window in. Hey, my window's in. Now I need to